Viewers, today we are just talking about sending money to Africa. And I know a lot of you have gone through processes of sending money to Africa. But I am so excited today to introduce to you Benjamin. Benjamin, congratulations. Congratulations. You know what? I'm looking at the work you've done on Nala, the homework you've done, the time you've taken to produce Nala. Amazing. But viewers might never know that. Tell us a little bit about how long it has taken you to come up with an app, Nala, that is working for the community.
So I think thank you first of all so much. Kwanza kabisa, the first thing that we did was spend a lot of time with people, speaking to Jana. Jana was actually one of the first people we onboarded. Listening to Jana, it's like, okay, what are the biggest issues you have with sending money? What are some of the challenges you face? How can we help fix it, right? And then like collecting user feedback first before we even built the product. So like all of Nala is built on user feedback, and that's why even for us as a company we say born in Africa, built for you, because literally our whole team, everything, like, you know, I'm Tanzanian, you know, but our whole team, like, we really try to build amazing software from the continent and take it to the world. And so it did take time. It did take compliance approvals by different governments and central banks in different countries that we're working in to get to the stage where we even went live. And so we went live for UK to Kenya transactions about 7 months ago. And today, Kenyans in the UK are our largest customer here in the UK.
I'm looking at the people around you. You've got a lot of young people, technocrats, like people who really understand technology way more than we do. How can you talk to the community about really trusting your product?
Yeah, I mean, you know, one of the things that we really do is we're regulated in multiple countries, and so you can go on the websites for these central banks and type in Nala, and you can see, like, okay, what is the authorization that we have? For example, in Tanzania, we're authorized by Bank of Tanzania. Here in the UK, we're an EMD agent of Modular Finance, which is an electronic money issuer here in the UK, and that's how we're authorized by the FCA to go live. And so to be able to do what we do and even move money internationally, we had to be authorized legally in markets like this. So that's how we got the approvals and permissions. Also our team, we're a bunch of tech geeks, I guess, some ex-Monzo, ex-people who worked on M-Pesa systems in East Africa, Tigo Pesa, Airtel Money in different markets. And so we mix digital banking in Europe and America and amazing banking and mobile money services in Africa together in the same team, and that's what comprises the Nala team.
Viewers, you know, we are all talking about diaspora speak. Be able to be the one speaking about your country. We are speaking about Kenya, Tanzania, Ghana, Uganda. Those countries can actually now receive money from Nala. How do you really vary in the market?
So as an initial product right now, you can send money instantly to Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Ghana, to mobile money as well as bank accounts in all these countries. In 2 weeks, we're going live with Rwanda. At the end of the month, we'll be live in Nigeria. And then in a few months, we'll be launching other Francophone countries like Senegal, Ivory Coast, and a few others like that. The difference today with the basic Nala product, you can send money instantly, faster than any other product that's out there. You also have instant verification, so you can do SMS, customized SMS that you can send to the receiver for free. So instead of sending the money and then like having to text somebody on WhatsApp saying this money was for school fees, you can send that directly within the transaction, and we'll deliver that SMS directly to them. You also have your bank statements and history, so you can compile. A lot of people who send money maybe do it for businesses, and they can see their records, the transaction history. They export it as PDF, they can export it as Excel spreadsheets right there and then within the product today, right now. Over time, we're launching a multi-currency account within 2 months, so you can store Kenyan shillings here in the UK. So instead of having to send to your M-Pesa account all the time, you can store that money right here in the UK and switch it back to pounds whenever you want.
Fantastic. Viewers, you know, we've been looking for that account that you can really store your money when you want to convert it to a Kenya shillings or you want to convert it to a pound shillings. Nala is working to bring products for you. But I've been there looking at from when Nala launched, working with them to find solutions to what we are looking for. So they'll be wanting to hear from you. So tell our viewers, what would you like them to do? How can, you know, like, how can they really engage with Nala, building Nala? Because you said today it's all about growth and you want the community to grow Nala. How can they be the people growing Nala?
Yeah, so a lot of what we're building is about our community. So how to participate is install the Nala application, test it out, try to send money, like send £5, send £2, and then within there we have a direct feedback loop, a direct feedback channel where they can give feedback on what they want to see built. We also reach out to our community members to ask them for feedback. So people want early access to multi-currency accounts. If people want early access to be able to send, let's say, money to Rwanda, they can reach out to us directly through the application that way. We also have private beta groups. So Janet was part of the private beta group of one of the earliest people to send money from the UK to Kenya was actually Janet. And because she was there, she got to see like the sneak peek of like everything that's new that's coming. So we have a lot of things like that we're trying to build out, but it's people who engage with us through our portals like that. We also do events here in the UK, so if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, we publish our events that we have coming up, and people can follow us and find, okay, what do we have coming up, how they can come and be part of it. Because Nala is not a fintech company. We're a lifestyle brand for Africans globally, right? And that's how we really look at our company, and we really want to be part of the community. Like we're a team. Our customer support is in Swahili, English, soon French, and we really build it around our community members and our people.
Viewers, you know me, where there's a community, I'm there. I always say we are a network that works. We got to prove to Nala we are a network that works. So on the screen right now, you can actually see Nala. I want you to download Nala. You'd like to send £5. I want 100 clients today sending £5 because we need to support our people. And very importantly, we talk about young people. I have seen Nala is really working with a lot of young people. So make sure that you send some money, £5, £10, 100 people, you're listening to me. This has to happen. Nala has to happen. And in the UK, it has to be the #1 money transfer company in the UK. As you've heard, I have been there from the time they started. Benjamin was in Tanzania trying to call me what to do, how to do, and now the product is ready. That means our money can actually reach where you want it to reach quick, faster, and we know that we have the people at hand being supported by you and me.
Nala is not about Benji. Nala is not about Nala as a company. Nala is about you as the people, right? For me, it's a brand that's bigger than all of us, right? It's like Coca-Cola. 100 years from today, I want people to look back and say, this is what Nala did to impact the lives of Africans globally. We want to build payment infrastructure on the continent, but we can't do that without your help. So if you're watching this, I would love to be part of this journey. Please join us, install an application, give us feedback directly. People like you really inspire us to do the work that we do. So we'd love your feedback, we'd love your help in helping us get into there. Ungana nasi, and let's go.
Fantastic, you have heard the Swahili is ripe. This is Tanzania Swahili. Nala means I am eating.
Nakula.
So Nakula, let us Nala together. And believe me, you viewers, I never introduced to you a product that I have not done risk assessment. So me sitting here, talking to Benjamin and telling you to download the Nala application means I have done my risk assessment and I know your money is safe with Nala. So for me personally, I am saying, I am standing and saying, this is an application we all should be using.